Hello, friends. Good day to all of you. Welcome to the day one workshop of the art of mindful appreciation. I thank you, everyone, for joining this workshop. And let's proceed with the first day notes. Albert Einstein once said that energy is everything. So I just reframed that particular sentence and created the first day topic as everything is energy. Friends, like we all know, if we want to understand this universe, we need to think on three important aspects. One is the vibration, frequency, and energy. So, energy is one of the most important form to understand the universe. Similarly, if we want to understand ourselves, the individuals or the things which are around us, so we need to think in terms of the same energy. Our thoughts are one of the powerful energy transmitter. Whatever things which we see in our eyes is created from the thought. So thoughts are the one which will make us or break us. When we keep on think about positive thoughts, we will tend to attract more positive vibrations. Whereas when we think about the negative thoughts, we get anger, sorrow, worry, etc. etc. We all know that our body or the human body is comprised of an electromagnetochemical factory. Why? Because when we think about any thought, it creates or the body creates some chemicals. They call it as neurochemicals. So it either secretes serotonin, which is a happy hormone, or when we are sad, or when we are fear, when we are like in kind of anger, it creates cortisol, which is the fear factor. So depending upon our thought pattern, the chemical which is released in the body will change. And the thought pattern based upon the chemical reaction, our behavior will also change. So we have to be more cautious and conscious about what thoughts are we thinking. The mind is divided into two important things. One is called as conscious, the other one is subconscious. Most of our thoughts in a given day comes from the conscious mind. Scientists have said that on a daily basis we have more than 60 to 70,000 thoughts, and out of which 95% of the thoughts are repetitive in nature, meaning to say whatever thoughts which we are thinking yesterday or day before yesterday, last week, last month, last year is the same thought. That is how we have been created. So we need to be more understanding what thoughts are we thinking and change them into a positive mindset so that we can attract whatever we want. We can achieve our goal. Not only that, not only changing the thoughts on a plain manner, but we should be more mindful. So the meaning of mindful is like to be in the present moment. Our thoughts should be focused at this present moment. For example, we are listening to this video, but sometimes our thoughts go back to something else. So we have to pull the thoughts back and keep our heart and soul, our sensory organs to listen to that particular activity. It can be anything. So put your every effort to be more mindful in the present moment. So let's not dwell our thoughts into the past thing, rather focus on the current moment. So by doing this, what we can do is that we can be more conscious, we can enable us to attract whatever things which we want. In our YouTube channel, there is a video called RAS, okay, Reticular Activating System. I'll put that in the description box. It will be easy for you to understand how these thoughts enable us to attract more positive thinking. So, with this particular thing going in our mind, we should be more, take effort in training our mind. We all exercise, we do yoga, we do pranayama, we do walking, etc. People go to gym to train the body, but it is more important to train our mind also. So in order to attract more positive things, we should be in a positive mindset. And to achieve that, the first step is to show gratitude. So meaning of gratitude is nothing but Now, saying thanks or appreciating each and every effort, it can be a small thing, or it can be a big thing, but showing gratitude, showing thankfulness, being more appreciative is the first step. When you say thank you, what happens is that the positive vibes, your brain, your body secretes the happy hormones. When we say thank you, mean we are happy. So only when we are happy, we will say thank you. When we are happy, the neurochemicals get secreted. All the happy hormones will get secreted, and this will enable us to see more positive things. So through gratitude, we can attract more positive thoughts. We can attract more positive vibrations. So the energy flow will increase. So that is the reason I get the title as Everything is Energy. So being more mindful, meaning being in the present moment, and showing gratitude towards the people, towards every single thing. It can be to the mobile phone or the laptop through which you are watching this video, to the electricity current through which we are going to access lot of information, through the internet, through plants, vegetables, etc. Everything, each and everything, we can show gratitude. So friends, we have to be more mindful, and we can practice gratitude on a daily basis. This will attract more positive thing. You may ask a question. See, like, what is the thing, like, why we are attracting a lot of positive things? Why negative thoughts cannot attract positive things? Or why it is so that only positive thoughts will attract positive things? Simple. Like attracts like. We all know for that matter. If you go scientifically, go through neurochemicals, our brain is a kind of a major electromagnetochemical factory. So depending upon the thoughts which we think, all this chemicals, neurochemicals will secrete. And our eyes, the sensory organs, not only eyes, our eyes, nose, mouth, the taste, etc., all the sensory organs will tend to attract only the positive things into us, and this will enable us to see our goal and then get that done. Either you can go and fetch it, or whatever you think, it will come to us. It will definitely come to us. I've experienced this in my life, and that's the reason we have to be more grateful. This particular human body is God's highest form of creature. We can do wonders with this particular thing. We have healthy body, we have healthy hands. All these things are given to us. It is a blessing to us. So every day is a blessing to us. So first, let's be more thankful and gratitude to the divine universe, and be thankful to our own body. As I said in the previous audio, it's like, we have to show gratitude to our own body, our hands, legs, internal organs, etc., through which we are doing lot of activity. So let's be more mindful, and let's be more gratitude. So think everything in terms of energy. Whatever you see, even a smallest particle, like an hairpin, to a largest thing, the universe, everything is a form of energy. Everything is created from the thought. So channelize our thoughts. Whatever we are thinking should be in a more positive manner. We have been trained to think a lot of negative things, or we have been keep on thinking about the past or worried about the future. No problem. At least from day, let's take some cautious and conscious step to think positive things around us. Be more mindful and say thanks to each and everything which we receive. You may not say thanks to through your voice or through your mouth. You can at least feel that in your heart. Your heart is kind of a mechanism. It's not only just to pump blood, but it releases a lot of energy, aura. It releases a lot of things from that. So when you are so grateful from your heart, you need not say thanks to that specific person, but when you feel that, the aura which releases from that will definitely reach the person wherever they are in this particular world. Okay. I hope we have mentioned about energy and other things in today's lesson. Please share your thoughts and comments. I'll be happy to help you and answer your questions. The activities will be shared in the exclusive WhatsApp group. Please check on that. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.